Hello friends, in this super quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to deactivate Facebook account. First of all, open your Facebook profile which you want to deactivate. Now click here and click on settings and privacy, then click on settings and click on your Facebook information, then scroll down to the bottom and you will find this deactivation and deletion option. Just click on it. If you want to deactivate your account, select this first option, and or if you want to delete your account, then select this last option. We are gonna see how to deactivate account, so I'm selecting the first option, then clicking on continue to account deactivation. And in this field we have to put our Facebook account password, so I'm giving my password here. Now clicking on continue. After that, you have to choose a reason why you are deactivating your Facebook account. So right now I'm selecting this other option and I'm typing here something I don't want to use. Then simply click on deactivate now. Your account has been deactivated. To reactivate your account, log in using your old login email address and password. You will then be able to use the site as before. Hope you got this. Thanks for watching this video. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.